Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Proton Mail security settings for strong privacy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Proton Mail security settings for strong privacy, begin by logging into your Proton Mail account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the interface and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Security tab on the left side. Click on the Security tab to access various security options. Start by enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Click on two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to set it up using an authentication app or SMS. Next, review the encryption settings to ensure you are using end-to-end encryption for your emails. Make sure that the settings allow for encryption by default for all messages sent to other Proton Mail users. Consider adjusting the self-destructing messages feature for added privacy on sensitive communications. Enable the self-destruct option in the Composer window when drafting important emails. Move to the Privacy section within the settings. Here, you can enable the Prevent Email Tracking feature, which blocks tracking pixels used by some email marketers. Review your security notification settings to ensure you're informed of any suspicious account activity. Set notifications to alert you via email or SMS if there are login attempts from unfamiliar locations or devices. Now, navigate to the Connected Apps section in your settings. Review any connected apps and remove those you no longer use or trust. If you use the Proton Mail Bridge for desktop email clients, configure its settings for optimal security. Ensure the Bridge app is updated to the latest version and delete any obsolete configurations. Return to the main settings menu and check for any updates to the Proton Mail platform. Regularly updating the app can protect against vulnerabilities. Finally, log out of your account when finished and ensure no sensitive information remains exposed. By following these steps, you enhance your Proton Mail security settings for stronger privacy protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.